Hellcat.
Yo guys, Sick Dog here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the SYMA S5 RC helicopter. So what you're going to want to do is under here there'll be a charging socket and there'll be a USB which you can oh wait, no, actually. So how you charge this, first of all I'm going to show you how you charge it. So that little hole there. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the controller, put some batteries in here, some AA batteries I think, and then there's this port here. You just open that, pull this out. You want to pull this out, yeah? And then you're going to want to if you let the camera focus on that, you'll see there'll be two ends, and you want to use the one which has a plain back on it, and you're going to want to then plug that in there and then leave it to charge for an hour. So you plug that in there. I won't show you that because it will be too long. I'm just going to show you how to use it. So just bear in mind while I just put it back in. I'm not going to show you me putting it back in because it's going to be hard. So first thing, once you've charged it for an hour, you're going to want to press. You want to make sure that's down. Then you're going to want to press this on the controller. Dad, can you come and help me with the camera, please? So, and then that should go solid blue, like that. Now, then you want to get the helicopter, turn it around, and then you should see a little button here. If you don't, well, that's just weird, and you've been scammed, but... So then that should start flashing. And then now that should stop. Now when that's not stop flashing, now the helicopter's ready to activate. Did I need you now? So what you're gonna want to do is, as you can see, when I lift this up, the wings start going, and I'm gonna hand it over to the camera person now. So you see the controller. This is to just fly it up, and then to safely land it. You gently push down the thing I used on the controller. So point it at the controller, please. So, and there you go. And this is and once you get that a bit high. So can you film it with the controller, please? This is to move it left, right. This is to move it left, right. And then to move it forward and backwards, you press this to move it forward, and this to move it backwards. Are you even filming the controller? Right. Okay. So now, that wasn't meant to happen. That was totally planned. That was totally unplanned. Now I'll show you flying it. But it's actually not as hard as it may. Okay. So that was this is actually I'm not actually I was not that was definitely planned. That's the tutorial on how to use the RC. That's the tutorial to use the RC helicopter. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I got quite a nasty cut on my hand from that end bit. I wasn't actually faking that.